made over $6,000 with these 2 affiliate programs. Guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about the 2 best affiliate programs to promote in 2020 and why I'm promoting it and how you can get started as well. Guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how to grow an online business, how to start affiliate marketing, and how to grow on YouTube. So guys, I want to go into these programs and let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, guys, the first one, let me just show you some income proof here. Because like I said, I made over $6,000 with both of these programs in the last 30 days, okay? So the first one here is Legendary Marketer. You can see here, the last 30 days I did $2,900, and then the second one is Clickfunnels, okay? So Clickfunnels is, I've done $3,200 with Clickfunnels, and both amazing programs to promote, guys. And I mean, these are pretty much the main options I promote. I only promote one education platform, and then I promote, one main software, which is Clickfunnels, okay? So the first one is Legendary Marketer. I just want to explain why I promote them and why you should promote them as well if you're looking to promote a program in the make money online niche, okay? Now, I also be talking about why you'd want to join Legendary Marketer as well, okay? So first of all, let me go to the back office here, okay? So what Legendary Marketer is, it's a program, it's a platform that teaches people how to start an online business, okay? So a lot of people that follow me, they're looking to, start affiliate marketing, or they're looking mostly for affiliate marketing, right? But there's also a lot of people that are just wanting to make an online business, okay? So for example, I had a friend that she wanted to do like a eyelash YouTube channel or something like that. And, she's like, well, how do I start? I have no idea how to build a funnel. I have no idea how to start an online business, how to create content. And I told her, I was like, okay, well, start with Legendary Marketer. It's, for the most part, it's based around affiliate marketing. But what I like about it is they teach you in a way where they teach you just how to start an online business, right? Now, like I said, basically the program, the way they structured it is going over how to start online business. Okay, so that's why I send people this way. So the type of content I create, like if you are promoting this program, is how to start an online business, or how to get started online, or the best ways to start an online business, right? That's the type of content I create, because this program will teach you how to start an online business, right? So instead of just sending them to a program that just teaches affiliate marketing, I just send them here where it'll teach them just how to start online business in general. So hopefully that makes sense, okay? And that's why I promote these guys. Obviously, amazing program. I would only promote something that, I've gone through and that that I truly believe in. I never promote anything that I don't believe in, okay? That's 100%, guys. I would never do that, okay? You guys can see that, I've gone through this challenge myself. They just redid the challenge, actually, so I need to go through it again. But I know I'm in day number 5 is what I've heard. So I'm actually going to go through this whole thing again. And yeah, I'm excited to check it out. But they redid the 15-day challenge. What it is you get somebody in for $7, okay? And if you do want to go through it, the link is in the link is in the description below. And basically, it's a 15-day challenge that takes them through how to start online business. I'll go through a few of the days here. So the first one's basically number 1 secret to building a high-ticket, high-profit business. And then number 2, I'll just go through a few of the days here. And number 2 is the core 4 top high-ticket business models online. Number 3 is let's build a business in 30 minutes. So this one's really cool. You actually sit down and build a business with them. So you're actually taking actionable steps. And then number 4 is, I believe this was how to master the inner game of wealth. And then number 5 is, this is where you really get into it. This is where you start your business plan, your strategy, and this is where it gets fun. But anyways, this is a great program to promote. Like if you're looking to get on the make money online niche or affiliate marketing, this is a great software, guys, okay? And what's cool is you get in at $7, and then there's there's the higher programs where there's like $2,500 and $10,000. I think it goes up to like $15,000 or even more. But basically, there it's steps, right? If someone needs more mentoring or one-on-one help, they can do that for you. Okay, so this is the main program I promote. Okay, the second program, guys, is Clickfunnels. Okay, and I promote only like books. I only promote the software with this program. Okay, why I promote this is because obviously I use Clickfunnels. It's an amazing software. Basically, if you don't know what it is, it's a software that allows you to build automated funnels or web pages to collect leads, and to basically, this is how I collect my leads on the internet. Okay, so this is the if you're starting an online business, you have to have a funnel, pretty much. Like 99% of people need a funnel. So I educate people on how to build funnels, on how to get started with Clickfunnels, stuff like that. So I get Clickfunnels commissions. So you can see here that let me go down real quick. I have an MMR of almost $1,000, meaning on a reoccurring monthly basis, I'm going to get almost $1,000 per month if someone stays on Clickfunnels. Okay, you can see here, I have 5 trialing. So once these people are done with the 14-day trial, so when you first sign up for Clickfunnels, it's a 14-day trial. You can see here, this will probably go over $1,000. So I'll be making $1,000 every single month on autopilot. That's not including the books I sell, the other upsells that they might take. So awesome software. And I just want to explain kind of how I do it, okay? Very, very simple, guys, okay? All I do, okay, is on YouTube, I create content, okay? And this content is literally just to help people, okay? A lot of people overthink this. Like, I don't know what type of content to create. Literally think about what problems that the affiliate program or software has, and how can you solve that problem with that software, right? You're just literally bridging the gap, okay? So for example, okay, this program here, Legendary Marketer, why am I doing so well with it? Okay, well, I know the problem that it solves, right? It solves the problem of, I don't know how to start an online business. I don't know how to get started with affiliate marketing. I don't know how to do copywriting. Literally, it solves all those problems, okay? So what do? I create a list of videos that I can create to solve that problem. So for example, you can see here, okay? Creating wealth during a pandemic, okay? That's a problem I'm trying to solve, right? So, I go through, I give them great content. As you guys know, I give you guys the best content out there, right? And then at the end of it, I ask if you guys want to get started, click in the link below. That's when you guys get started with Legendary Marketer. You go through the 15-day challenge. You only pay $7. And if you guys want to buy the bigger programs, if you want them, you can, okay? And that's how I make money, because I provide so much value and content. Now, I think the problem with affiliate marketing is people are not providing enough value, guys. And I like to be 100% transparent. That's why I show you I show you my whole journey, my screenshots. I show you how much I'm making. I show you like my YouTube journey. I mean, you can see my YouTube journey here. I mean, I just started in May 2019. Look at that. I started right here. And that's my journey, guys. You can see it's exponentially going up, right? And that's because I am transparent. I give you guys everything that I know, everything I'm learning. I'm giving it to you guys because I want you guys to learn as well, okay? So that's the main 2 programs I promote, guys. And like I explained why or how I would sell Legendary. But let me explain how you can be an affiliate for them, okay? So I will tell you this. They do not take everyone as an affiliate marketer for Legendary. That's another reason I like them, because they don't just take anyone like a Clickbank product or something like that, okay? You have to at least go through the 15-day challenge, and then after that, you can apply to be an affiliate, okay? Now, not everyone can do it. So if you want to be an affiliate for Legendary Marketer, click the link below, go through the 15-day challenge. I recommend you go through it anyways. If you don't even know how to do affiliate marketing, you have to learn how to do it. And then, you can be an affiliate for them. If you're already an experienced affiliate marketer and you just want to promote them, then go through the challenge anyways. You can apply for to be an affiliate after, okay? So that's how you become an affiliate, okay? Now, Clickfunnels is a little different, okay? They changed up some things, and I just want to explain how it works, okay? So when you become a Clickfunnels affiliate, okay, so you automatically become a Clickfunnels affiliate when you get the software, okay? Now, you can't promote this software anymore right away, okay? Now, you can if you have at least $1,000 worth of sales, okay? And that's really not hard to do. I know it may seem like a lot, but basically, let me show you something really cool. There's a program called the One Full No Way, okay? And with this program here, it's $100 for people to join. And if you join the One Full No Way challenge, if you promote the One Full No Way challenge, you actually get $100. So the program's $100 for someone to buy, but you actually get $100 to actually promote it. So it's 100% profit. So really, really cool. So you can see here, $100 CPA for every person who enrolls in the One Funnel Way, okay? And this is similar to basically Legendary, but it's different. It kind of gets you started in 30 days, how to build a funnel, how to build an offer, stuff like that, okay? So great program to promote. Is one funnel away, okay? And then obviously within ClickFunnels, they have the software if you're eligible, and then you can promote the books as well. You can see here in just in the last 7 days, I've sold 54 books, and yeah, getting a ton of sales from ClickFunnels, which I love, okay? So this is just in the last 7 days here, you can see. But anyways, guys, those are my 2 favorite affiliate programs to promote, Legendary Marketer and ClickFunnels. I do have a total of, I think, like 16 passive income streams at the moment. Obviously, like email autoresponders and other tools that I use that I'm not going to really mention here. These are the main things I promote, the main software I promote, and the main education platform, okay? And I said education platform, okay? This is not a system. This is an education platform that teaches people how to build an online business. Big difference. Anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you guys. I hope that you know, this content's really helping you guys out. So if you guys like the content, subscribe to the channel. Click the first link in the description, guys. That's going to take you to Legendary Marketer, take you through the 15-day challenge. Highly recommend it, especially if you're looking to start an online business, affiliate marketing, stuff like that. You guys have a great day, and God bless.